Hi, I'm Teacher Aaron from Can School. Welcome to my story time. Today, our story is Kate's Truck. Kate's Truck. Kate got her truck. I can ride in my truck, she said. I want my bear, said Kate. She put the bear in her truck. I want my dolls, said Kate. She put her dolls in the truck. Kate said, I want books. She put the books in her truck. I want my dinosaur, Kate said. She put her dinosaur in the truck. I want my dog, said Kate. She put her dog in the truck. Kate got in her truck. I can ride in my truck, she said. Oh no! I'm Teacher Aaron from Can School. Thank you for reading a story with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye for now.